If you need to change the publication date on a Squarespace blog post, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update the date on a post step by step so you can quickly fix an old publication date, adjust the timing of a post, or make sure your content shows the correct date on your blog. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little hidden inside Squarespace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to save the update properly. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace home menu. This is your main control center for managing your website settings and content. From there, click Pages. Once you're in the Pages section, look for your blog page in the sidebar. Click on it so you can view the full list of blog posts inside that blog collection. Now find the specific article you want to update. When you locate it, hover over the post and click Edit. That will open the blog post editor. Inside the editor, look for the active date text. This is the current publication date shown on the post. Click directly on that date text and Squarespace will open a calendar pop-up panel. This is where you can change the date information for the post. Choose your new calendar date from the calendar. After that, manually type in your preferred timestamp if you want the post to show a specific time as well. This is useful if you want the publication time to match an exact schedule or if you're correcting the original published time. Take a moment to double check the date and time before you continue, since this will affect how the post appears on your site. Once everything looks correct, click outside the pop-up panel to close it. Then go to the corner of the editor and hit Save. Saving is the final step that applies your new publication date to the post. After the save completes, your Squarespace blog post will now reflect the updated date. That's all there is to it. You've just changed the blog post publication date on Squarespace in only a few steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace how-to guides, website tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.